Yeah, so we are just driving to the North Shore now, and we're gonna go check the Waimea Waterfall, and
which is in the Waimea Valley.
Waimea Valley. So we're gonna go see, and then we'll show you from over there. They said that you can swim. I'm not sure if you have to hike. You probably do, but it's gonna be a good day trip. So it's gonna be a good trip for us. So today we are visiting Waimea Falls, and what is this place? I don't even know. But it's gorgeous here. We are literally in the middle of the mountains. So.
And it only takes, if you take this highway or whatever, an hour to get to North Shore.
Which is on the other side of where we are, basically. So, because we are in Waikiki, where the hotel is, and now we are gonna go see the North Shore. It's a good day trip to do. It's so pretty. So.
There's surfing competitions, but I'm not sure if we want to hit that. Just because parking's a pain, we've been told. But we're definitely going to hit a waterfall that we can swim in. So that should...
This is historic Hialeah beach. I'm thinking some people are doing the canoeing over there. And we're gonna sit down here for a little while later. So beautiful. So this is what we are doing today, right now, which is we're gonna go all the way, and then we're gonna hike all the way up to the waterfall. So it's called Waimea Valley. Here we go. Now they have a shuttle to take you up, which is like $10. I'm okay.
It was our second time.
Huh?
If it was our second time.
Right? A sanctuary that they have over here in the middle of the park. So, ow. Look, somebody forgot a shirt, and it's definitely a kid. What?
Look, if I just threw it off.
Yeah. Halamua means house.
Eating house.
Eating house. Secret passage. Right. Being admitted to the Halamua was the sacred rite of passage for boys who had previously been with women. And dedication of so many names. Began learning skills to contribute to well-being of the Ohana. Aww. And we keep going, and it's very historic, it's very interesting. over here.
This is where they made all the stuff. And of course, they had an up-to-date lock on everything.
Yeah. Yeah, because they had locks before. Yeah. So what the kappa making?
The test of time.
Yeah, kappa making.
Yeah, basically made all the loin and skirts and all that, loincloths.
Oh, okay.
Stuff like that.
Cool. This is the house of healing, right, that they have. So they have a very modern chair over there that I think I'm gonna put Josh over there so he can heal his brain. See? Yeah.
I would be the healer.
You be the healer? You need healing. You need Jesus. This is the sleeping house, right? Halanoa. This is where the family sleeps together. So.
And it looks just as uncomfortable as a cooking house.
Yeah, that's not very practical, are they? Look at that.
Yeah, that rock's mine to sleep on.
I'm on the second rock on the left. The second rock on the left is mine for today, so. Oh, God. The trails are pretty cool. So beautiful.
This is your man.
Yes,
Look at the screen.
that's mine. And,
And, that,
I'm
and
gonna
that's
stick
and that's
beside him.
and that's what you're going to settle for.
I'm gonna stick beside him.
So we came to the lagoon right now. It's what they call the man-made lagoon. So over here is where you have the Marriott Resort and Disney Aulani resorts, Four Seasons. So they have 4 lagoons that it's called Aulani. That's the name of the place. So it is gorgeous. Again, it's a man-made lagoon. So we're gonna eat some chips right now with some Coke that we brought, but I'm gonna enjoy a little bit the sun. Finally, it's not windy.
So we're back at the Hyatt Regency for our last night in here, and yeah, this room is even better than the last. She upgraded us. So yeah, look at this, the overlook. This is just stunning.